Let's take a look at my inside cabin on Carnival Conquest. Okay, so this is our room. We have an interior cabin on the 6th floor or 6th deck. It's pretty spacious to be interior. It's not too bad. This is the desk area, the mirror, our TV. The fridge is down here. Oh, we have our bottles of wine in there. Don't tell anybody, but we took more than what we were supposed to. I'm sorry. I like to keep this door open a little bit. This is a closet. Another mirror right here with some waters that we pre-ordered. Here is another closet. Lots of room to hang things up. And this is the bathroom. Let's see what's going on in here. Always watch your step before coming in. So nothing really to it. Hi. This is it. The only thing I don't like about Carnival, the curtains. I wish it was like Royal, where they have the glass doors, but this will have to do. I think some of Carnival ships have the glass doors, but maybe not the older ships. But that's the bathroom. Once again, this is the room. So we already got our stuff everywhere. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, time to go party.